Hi, welcome back. I want to apologize for the last video. I know I was recording a recording of a video. However, I just found out about doing this today and the intro that I had was on a different computer that I didn't have access to. And I wanted to get this stuff out to you as soon as possible. So anyway, now within your course, you should now see a folder that's going to say Welcome 426. And inside of it, I'm going to go over some stuff that's here, and then I'm going to go over week 1. So when you click on it, it's the welcome. And this is all information about me. I don't think that I will be doing this all year long, and you might end up doing this again for a new teacher. But I wanted to show you how and what was out there in case you did have any questions in the time that I am your teacher. So if you click on this intro to technology, it's going to give you some information here about me, how to get me, what was going to be in the class, what e-learning is, some things to do to make e-learning successful. So that's there. It's just purely informational. Everything in this folder is informational. So class expectations, there's how to post in Schoology, online procedures, how to be successful. So there are a bunch of different things that can be there. Under teacher, student, parent communication, this is a form that has just my contact information on it. So that if you're looking on how to get me, phone numbers, emails, etc. Then you have the scope and sequence, which is all of the benchmarks and expectations that go along with this class. So if you want to look at those. How we'll be doing grading and makeup work. So if you click on it, there's criteria, attendance. If you do not have access to Focus, this is what your parents need to fill out right here. Attendance, for those, I don't know, probably the people who are hybrid, who are on campus on Monday and Tuesday don't know this, but basically, you are responsible for doing your own attendance. You need to check in on Schoology. There's a big yellow button, and it says, I'm in attendance, I think, or something along those lines. And you need to do that every day. I do not do anything with attendance. But here are some information. Here's how to mark yourself present for the day. So this is all information in here. This is some tips and tech problems if you have, handbooks about e-learning, and then the intro that I just gave you or you just saw. So it's all in this folder. Okay, so then each week you'll get a folder, and so on this one I have one that says before you get started, and so I'm just asking a short survey. I think there's 7 questions. If you just click on it and then you say complete this survey, if it asks you for this, you just click on your school email address, which is usually your last name, first initial, at students.manateeschools.net, and it will come up. And then just answer the questions. Very simple. It's basically just so that we have an idea of what kind of device you are using at home and a couple skills that I know that you will need early on when we are doing Schoology, etc. Okay, and then the second thing that is in this one is a checklist. Like I told you in the opening video, this is a checklist. It is solely for you. It is not for me. It is only for you. If you want to check it out off, whatever. So each one of them will have just a checklist. It'll have some vocabulary if we're going to be doing vocabulary that week. It'll have an essential question, which this week is, how do I succeed as an e-learner? I will be doing face-to-face meetings once a week. It is not mandatory. It is totally voluntary. And it's just so that you guys get to see each other and feel like you're part of a classroom. This will tell you the objectives that we have for the week, and then you will have your assignments and due dates. So like I said, this is solely for you. Please do not submit it to me. It will not help you. It is just there. Okay, so now if you go back to week 1, we're going to, okay, so your first assignments was the crossword puzzle and the hardware worksheet. That's for the people who are on campus on Monday and Tuesday. The people who are coming on Thursday and Friday will also get the same sheets for you to do. That is one assignment. The second assignment that you need to be doing is we are going over PBIS. PBIS is a set of expectations and procedures that students have at Mona Jane Middle School. It's rewards, consequences. And so what the administration did was they got together, and if you click right here in any one of these, you will be able to see they made 5 videos. And each one of them is about something that they want you to understand and appreciate. So you need to watch all 5 videos. It does not matter in what order that you watch them. It makes sense to watch them in the order that Mr. Zickenfuss did them, but you don't need to do that. Then once you are done, you're going to come back here, and on this one, you're going to answer this question. It is a discussion question. So you're going to go ahead and answer that question, and then you'll do this. If this all says the same thing, it has the click here for the videos, and then there is another. So there are 4 reflection questions. Now, please listen carefully. You cannot see what other people have said as an answer until you submit an answer. So you need to read this and reflect and actually write a good answer. Once you have posted, then you will get to see everybody else's thoughts. This is so that you don't just go and use somebody else's ideas. I want you to be thinking about it. So don't just post, yes, go read somebody else's and then put this great answer. It still won't help you. All right, and last thing is that you will do is if you go here to assignment 2, I told you we were going to be doing typing. So what you are going to do is you are going to go to typingtest.com. If you click on it, we are going to take a 1-minute, and it can either be text or sentences. But if you click right here on more options, you will be able to choose what you type about. Each one of them are the same difficulty, so it really doesn't matter if I type about an enchanted typewriter or space cowboys. It's just maybe something that you would be interested in. When you are after you've taken the test, you'll just click Start Taking Test. And then once I click here, it's going to count down here and it's going to tell me the words over here. So what you need to do is when it's done, you're going to have something here. It says total words. Then you're going to have errors. And then you're going to have a box that says adjusted speed. I need you to take that adjusted speed and submit it on Schoology as part of your assignment. What I'm going to do is I am then going to send you a goal for you to start practicing to reach for your typing skills by the end of the quarter. So I will set your goal based on this. It does not help you to cheat. It doesn't matter if you type 7 words or 70 words. I'm still going to make you do it faster. I want you to increase your skills and your speed. So that is what you need to accomplish this week. So there will be 2 assignments in class and then these 2 assignments here. If you have any questions, you can email me, or if you look, remember, if you go to my contact, you can see how to text me, etc. Have a wonderful week. I apologize for the bumpy start, but we will get through it, and enjoy.